Hello, everyone, and welcome to another exciting edition of High School Quiz Bowl Competition. I'm Ray Petlin, and I have the honor of asking questions to some of the brightest high school students from across the region. And today we have a great matchup for you featuring teams from Elizabeth Forward High School, from Newcastle High School, and from Yough High School. This should be a great matchup. What we're going to do is we're going to put 100 points on the board for everybody, and we're going to start earning points right now in a round we call Player's Choice. In this round, we have 5 picture-based questions for each team. We award 25 points for a correct answer. There are no deductions for incorrect answers. And what we did was we selected randomly the order of competition. In Yough High School, you are up first. The 3 categories we have to choose from are science, history, and mammals. Which would you like?
We're going to choose mammals.
Mammals it is. And here is your first question on mammals, Yough High School. These are marine mammals that live in the Arctic Ocean. They are toothed whales.
Narwhals?
Narwhal is correct. What are these large aquatic mammals with 2 flippers?
Manatees?
A manatee is correct. What are these semi-aquatic egg-laying mammals endemic to eastern Australia?
Platypuses?
Yes, a platypus, or more specifically, the duck-billed platypus is correct. This is a medium-sized burrowing nocturnal mammal native to Africa.
An anteater?
Great guess, but we were looking for aardvark on that one. And finally in this round, these are the only mammals capable of true and sustained flight.
Bats?
Bats is correct. You went 4 out of 5. That means you added 100 points to your score, and that takes you up to an even 200 to start the day. Very nicely done, Yough High School. Up next is our team from Newcastle High School. And Newcastle, we have science and history left over. Which of those categories would you like?
We like science.
Science it is. Newcastle, here's your first science question. What metallic element, which makes up most of pennies, has atomic number of 30 and the symbol Zn?
Zinc.
Zinc is correct. Dobson units are used to measure the concentration of what molecule, which forms a protective layer of the atmosphere blocking UV light?
Oxygen.
Oxygen is a great answer, but ozone, another O word, was what we were looking for on that one. What part of the body contains the most bones?
Hands.
The hand is correct. What particles composed of 2 down quarks and 1 up quark differ in number between isotopes and have 0 charge?
Neutrons.
Neutrons is right. What planet, which takes longer to rotate about its axis than it does to revolve around the sun, has clouds of sulfuric acid that drive an extreme greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in the solar system?
Venus.
Venus is right. You too went 4 out of 5 to start the day, meaning Newcastle, you also have an even 200. Very nicely done. Finally up, we have our team from Elizabeth Forward High School. The last category we have for you is history. So here we go with your first history-related question. What Middle Eastern conflict began after the 1990 Iraqi invasion of Kuwait?
Go for it.
The Gulf War, that's right. What lending institutions were famously robbed by outlaws like Jesse James and John Dillinger?
Banks?
Banks is right. What city is nicknamed the City of 100 Spires and is the capital of Czechoslovakia?
Prague.
Prague is correct. Name this profession of Florence Nightingale, the founder of what modern career?
Nurse?
Nurse or nursing is correct. And finally in this round, a ruler of this dynasty moved the capital to Beijing, where construction began on the Forbidden City. Name this Chinese dynasty famous for its blue and white porcelain, which preceded the Qing.
The Ming Dynasty?
That is correct. Very nicely done. You swept through that round perfectly. And that means You have taken the lead with 225 points to start the day. Very nicely done, Elizabeth Forward High School. But if you're keeping score at home, you know it's real close. We are going to add more points to the board in the Katie Quiz Knowledge Check. Plus, we're going to meet the teams coming up next on Katie Quiz, brought to you by GBU Life.
KD Quiz is brought to you by GBU Life, providing life insurance, annuities, and community support since 1892.